I'm William Grantham for IchimokuWeather.com with the stock market weather report for Stamps.com on April 14th, 2021. The current price on the weekly chart determines our season, and being inside a green cloud means that we are in fall. Market action started off the year coming up nice and hard, but then had a big down draw that went into the cloud and then didn't even notice the cloud and came out underneath it, and looks like it found support at the 200 period simple moving average, which is the black line. Price then consolidates a little bit, goes up and challenges the bottom of the cloud, is not able to enter, challenges the bottom of the cloud again the next week and is not able to enter, and then finally is able to get inside the cloud here 3 weeks ago, and then right now we are inside the cloud. For support below us, we do have the bottom line of the cloud at approximately 200 and the simple moving average below that. Above us for resistance is both the blue line and the red line as well as the top of the cloud. On the daily chart, we are inside the cloud as well. We are currently above the blue line, and the blue line is above the red line. Price is like a hot air balloon, with the buyers turning up the heat making the balloon go up, and sellers turning down the heat making the balloon go down. The blue line represents the winds, and the red line is our jet stream. Being inside the cloud on the daily means that it is fall, and we have pea soup fog and decreasing temperatures. Right now, with having the winds above the jet stream, that does put us into a bullish channel, even though we are inside the cloud. We can see the big drop that we saw on the weekly here on the daily, where price went up above the cloud, then came down and had a nice little doji day right underneath the 200 period simple moving average, and then also on the daily opened up above the cloud and then passed through the cloud with ease on the day that it crossed below the cloud. Price action then stayed underneath the wind lines for a bit, consolidated, then popped up above the winds. That's where we see our current growth status as we are moving up above our lowest low of the most recent downtrend. This puts us with a high pressure zone above us, causing us resistance, and a low pressure zone below that is negating part of this bullish channel. The winds and the jet stream are both pointing up, and this motion could help give us some lift to help market action to be able to get up and challenge the top of the cloud and the 200 period simple moving average. The lagging green line is market action plotted 26 periods in the past, and it is just now getting up into the cloud as well, and it's going to have resistance as it gets up to the black line and the red line. Our forecast shows that we do have a big solid red cloud in front of us. It is starting to get a little bit smaller here as market action has climbed lately. It is still red, and we'll be looking for it to get smaller and then possibly flip to green, and that will be a bullish sign. The top of the cloud has got a long, flat line, and that's going to give us lots of resistance at about the $223 area. Below us for support is the blue line coming in at around $207, the bottom of the cloud at $204, and the red line, the jet stream, at $195. If this can stay in a bullish configuration, that could give our hot air balloon, the market price, more push to be able to get up and out of the cloud. We do have a cold front above us, and that could help limit our movement up. This is your stock market weather report for Stamps.com, April 14th, 2021. It is fall. We do have pea soup fog and decreasing temperatures. Stratus clouds are setting in, creating a thick fog layer, and this is the kind of weather that makes it hard to sail in, like a ship caught in the doldrums. So we'll see if market action can get out of the doldrums from inside the cloud.